the question I get asked the most, why can't we use a chatbot? The problem of those very generic tools is that the sources that are used to provide you this very nicely written answer, the sources are someone else's opinion. Sometimes it's Wikipedia, sometimes it's a YouTube video, sometimes, most of the times, press release, review, opinion, editorial paper. Now, the more specific tools, what are they doing? What's the difference? And why are we saying these are better? Because they are now trying to limit what these tools are searching. So now we have some tools that are only search New England Journal of Medicine and a couple other journals. We have another tool like Perplexity that is searching PubMed. That's great that they're searching. Now they're searching more of a specific medical databases. But those of us who are researchers for life, or medical doctors or just researchers that have searched PubMed, that conducted literature reviews in PubMed, know that even in PubMed, 80% of what you find when you conduct a search in PubMed, often 80% is noise. It is not robust evidence. It is medical evidence, but also it could be review. It could be retrospective. Now we're going into more details in the medical field. You're also finding press releases, maybe not in PubMed. Now you find opinions, retrospective papers, review that were not systematically conducted, editorials, notes, corrections, papers that have been later withdrawn, and such. And the issue is with these, even the best of those chatbots, is what are they basing their opinion on? That they do not look at the evidence first and say, is this a robust evidence? And that issue is shared by all of these chatbot tools that exist right now. None of them conduct a review of the evidence, meaning hierarchy of the evidence and understanding the quality of the evidence they use. None of them do that. It's all based on keywords. So you get whatever noise is on top, and you may get lucky and it's correct, and you may not. And if you ask it again, it will give you a slightly different answer. None of them are complete. None of them are comprehensive. None of them looks at multiple sources at the same time. I need to know what's new. I need to avoid conducting my little PubMed searches every day for every patient. And then when I conduct it, I need to instantly, would be nice to know, is it in the guideline or not? What category is it recommended or not? Is it approved or not? And where is that label? And the most interesting thing is that no matter how many times you're going to search a chatbot, use it, it will never give you as a reference the original publication of the study, the ultimate primary source. That is never the reference, because those are never on top. Those you need to take few more steps. And it also never cross-links or cross-checks multiple sources at the same time to give you that one answer. The answer is based on each paragraph on a different piece they found, but it's never, okay, an answer is here and we cross-check these three things. So that is why I thought of creating the tool where humans first organize the data. So we are using AI in very different ways than all of these chatbots, because we're using them upstream. We automate the upstream, the collection of data, the going to various sources and creating a structured database that is verified by humans, that only contains robust data, that has specific categories where the data interpretation is standardized and hierarchy of data is established. And then you add a chatbot to that searches only that data. That is the uniqueness of Oncoscope.